Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about sphere design. Sphere basically AutoCAD 3D and sphere design. When AutoCAD 3D creation is very easy from design. Basically AutoCAD is changed from anywhere and anytime, because 3D design is more useful for design changing. So today I will discuss sphere. So how to create sphere? So first of all, go to 3D modeling. When look at this, here the sphere. When I get the sphere right now, there you can see here this box. I will show you. Click this here. Now see this box here. When I find the sphere, when I get the sphere design and start from any point, when I get start from here, and I want get make the particular radius, right? When I provide the radius and diameter, so I get radius is 300 radius. Enter. Look at this, one sphere has been completed. Then I get the color right now. So when I click this line, here the all layer is available. When I get color, then also change anything. So we will provide change here 800. Their radius diameter is directly change. So right now again I will show you another sphere design. When I click this sphere here, right, then I make this here, provide the radius, and also I make the top view in sphere design. When I get the top view, so here the view presentation. When I click this view here, enter the view. When I want top view and bottom view, side view, and this one is isometric view. When I get create the top view here, and also I make this sphere design. When I go to home page and select the top view, and I make radius right now, particular radius I get provide 300. Right now this is 300 radius, and I want I will show you the 3D modeling and go to here isometric view. Look at this one has selected, and I want get change anything, so it will provide the changing here. When I get 500, so this one is 500, and I will provide the color, so this one is color here. So this is very easy to create the sphere design in AutoCAD 3D modeling. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe our channel.